Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Bridge course for class 11 students. In the previous video lecture, we studied how to use log table to find anti-log of positive values. In today's class, again I am going to continue how to use log table to find anti-log for negative values. How to find anti-log of positive values that we already studied in the previous video lecture. Today I am going to explain how to find anti-log for negative values using log table. Remember, the procedure for anti-log of positive values is completely different for anti-log for negative values. Positive values and negative values both are having different procedure. So today I am going to explain how to find anti-log of negative values. Remember, we cannot find anti-log for negative values. So first we are going to convert that negative number into positive number or negative values into positive values. So the procedure for negative number is completely different from anti-log of positive number. I already explained how to use log table to find anti-log of positive number. Now you are going to learn how to find anti-log of negative number using log table. It is completely different, and moreover for negative number it is not possible to find anti-log. So what we are going to do here, that negative number we are going to convert into positive number to find its anti-log value. So let us see how to convert into positive value. So to understand it, I am going to again consider one example. Anti-log of minus 2.1202. This is the negative value. Sometimes it can be written as, or it can be written as anti-log of 2 bar. That means minus 2. Both are same here. 1202. Both have the same meaning. Either you can write minus 2 point or you can write 2 bar 0.1202. Now I am going to tell you how to find anti-log of negative number. Remember, it is completely different from positive numbers. See here, first I am going to break this number into two parts. So what are the two parts here? The first part is characteristic. Second part is what? Mantissa. The first part I am going to consider characteristic. Second part is mantissa. Separately I am going to write it here. Remember the step 1. Step 1. I am going to write characteristic is how much? Step 1. I am going to write the characteristic is given minus 2. And here another part is what? I am going to write minus 0.1202. Separately, I am going to write the given number into two parts. First part is before the decimal point, that is minus 2. Second part is after the decimal point, which is called mantissa, and this is minus 0.1202. Here, first we have to convert that negative value into positive value. Mantissa value means step 2. This is in terms of negative. First we have to convert into positive. So for that reason, I am going to consider minus 1 for characteristic plus 1 for mantissa. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Again we can get the same number. So what we are going to do here, I am going to subtract 1 to the characteristic and I am going to add plus 1 to the mantissa. So what is the answer now? Minus 2 minus 1 will be how much? Minus 3. So this is first part. Characteristic we got minus 3. Leave it. Come to the second part. The number is 0.1202. We are adding plus 1. That means I am going to write 1.0000 minus the number is 0.1202. Subtract these two values. So how much we can get here? Subtracting these two values. So we got 0.8798. What is the value? 0.8798. It means Now the mantissa we got in terms of positive. Negative values we converted into positive value by adding +1 to the mantissa, and for the characteristic -1. So we got the final answer -3 here. Now leave about characteristic, come to this point. Now the answer is how much? We got 0.8798. Now, so this 0.8798 we can observe through the log table. Now it is easy to find its value. So through the log table I am going to write 0.87 is the first part, 9 is the second part, 8 is the third part. 0.87 at 9 we have to observe in the difference column. This is main column and this is difference column. And then 0.87 again we have to observe in the mean difference column. With the help of log table, let us observe 0.87 at 9. 0.87 at 9. 0.87 we can see it in the main column. Here the 0.87. At 9 we have to observe horizontal, you can move here. So this is at 9 we got the number 7568. You can observe the number here 7568 at 9 and here 0.87. Right? So 7568 here we can write 7568. Now 0.87 we can observe in the mean difference at 8. 0.87 at 8. At 8. 0.87 in the main column. At 8 here it is number we can get 14. This number we can get here 0.87 at 8 we got 14 plus 14. So what is the final answer we got here? 7582. After adding this number we got 7582. Now we have to write the final answer. How to write the final answer you can observe here. Anti-log of -2.1202 is equal to, first I am going to write the value of mantissa. How much we got? 7582. So here we have to write the decimal point after one digit. 7.582. The characteristic is how much? -3. So it will be multiplied by the power of 10. We have to write as 10 raised to -3. What is the final answer? 7.582 into 10 raised to -3. So this characteristic, it will be written as multiplied by 10 to the power -3. And the mantissa we got 7582. But here we have to write the decimal point after one digit. 7.582 into 10 raised to -3. So this is what the procedure how to find antilog of negative number. I am going to explain one more time. Observe here. So the number is -2.1202. The characteristic is -2. You can write it separately. Mantissa we have -0.1202. In the step 2 I wrote it separately. Now negative number is very difficult to find its antilog. So I am going to convert into positive value by adding +1 here and subtracting 1 to the characteristic. +1 -1 means it will get cancelled. Again we can get the same number. So -1 for characteristic, +1 for mantissa. Here in the characteristic we got -3. So this -3 in the answer we have to write it as multiplied by 10 raised to -3. And in the step 2 we have to find its value. So we got 0.8798 in terms of positive value. Now easily we can find its value with the help of log table. And we got the number 7582. Here in the answer we have to write it as the decimal point should be after one digit 7.582 and the characteristic we have to write it as multiplied by the power of 10, that is 10 raised to -3. So hope this procedure is understood for you. Again I am going to consider one more example. Now you can observe here. The second example, I am going to consider anti-log of the number is minus 4.475. Minus 4.475. Now you can write them separately. Here the first step is minus 4 and the second step is minus 0.475. These two, this number is written separately into two parts. Here this will be minus 1 and it will be plus 1. Right, minus 4 minus 1 means what is the final answer? So minus 4 minus 1 means we got minus 5. In the answer, we have to write it as 10 raised to minus 5. Remember, this is our first step. Come to the second step. So it means I can consider here plus 1.000 minus 0.475. 1 means what here? 1 means 1.00, right? So subtracting this value, we got the answer. So here I got the final answer 0.525. This is the second step. So this is converted into positive value 0.525. This number we can write separately here 0.52 and this is 5. 0.52 we have to observe in the main column. 5 we have to observe in the difference column. Observe with the help of the log table. What is the number? 0.52 at 5. 0.52 is here at 5. 5 we can observe in the 0.52 in the main column, at 5 in the difference column. We got this number 3350. We got the value 3350. So there is no next number here. Then don't go for mean difference. Leave it. Now we got the number 3350. Now we can write the answer. How to write the answer? The question is anti-log of minus 4.475 is equal to. So what is the number? We got 3350 into 10 raised to minus 5 is characteristic. But we have to write that decimal point after one digit. So what is the final answer? 3.350 into 10 raised to minus 5. Right? Then I will explain one more example so that you will get perfect regarding antilog of negative values. See the third example, antilog of minus 17.334. So now I am going to write it separately here, minus 17. The first step, minus 17, I am going to write separately here. Remaining is minus 0.334 is the separate part. Minus 17 means here I am going to add and subtract minus 1. Here I am going to write minus 1. Here this will be plus 1 to convert negative values into positive value only for Mantissa. So that it is easy to find the antilog of given number using log table. So minus 17 minus 1 will be how much? We can get minus 18. So this minus 18 how to write? Multiplied by 10 raised to minus 18 in the result. Now leave about this value. Come to the second part. So here this can be written as plus 1 means 1.000 and remaining is minus 0.334. What is the answer? So subtracting these digits we can get 0.666. This is the second part. So this we can observe through the log table. 0.66 we can observe in the difference at 6. Observe with the help of log table now. 0.66 at 6. 0.66 at 6. Here is the 0.66 in the main column at 6. 6 is in the difference column. So we got this number 4634. What is the number? 4634 at 6. Now we can write this number here 4634. 4634. Now tell me how to write the final answer. The question is anti-log of minus 17.334 is equal to 4634. Here we have to write the decimal point after one digit, 4.634 and into 10 raised to minus 18. So 4.634 into 10 raised to minus 18 is the final answer. I will solve one more problem. Anti-log of minus 37.5678. Try to solve this problem. Minus 37 point. So you can write directly 10 raised to minus 38. Leave it. Now come to the mantissa here. So it will be added by 1. So I can write it as 1.0000 minus 0. Here it is 0.5678. Directly I am going to write here. So this will be subtracted by 1 and this part will be added by 1. So we got the final answer here 0.4322. So this 0.43 we have to observe in the difference column and then 0.43 we have to observe in the mean difference column. 0.43 we have to observe in difference column. 0.43 again we have to observe in the mean difference column. This is difference and this is mean difference column. 0.43 at 2. 0.43. Here it is 0.43 at 2. Here we got the number 2704. And similarly 0.43 at 2 is 2704. 0.43 at 2 in the mean difference we got the number 1. 2704 plus 1. What is the answer? So we got the value 0.43 at 2 is 2704 plus 0.43 at 2 in the mean difference is 1. So we got 2705. Now tell me how we are going to write the final answer. 2.705 into 10 raised to minus 38. Is it clear? So in this way we can easily find the log and anti-log of positive and negative values using log table without the help of any scientific calculator. Remember, in your examination, scientific calculator is not allowed. That time you should use log table in PU board examination, in JEE or in NEET examination. So this log table is very important. I hope so this session is very clear for you. Now I am going to give you some assignments regarding these log and anti-log. Solve these given problems. I am going to write log of 658. Second one, a log of 7. So we already studied about log values in the previous video lecture that you can watch again to find the values of given two numbers. And then third example is anti-log of 0.613, anti-log of 2.7012. So this is anti-log of positive value. Then fifth example or fifth question, that is anti-log of minus 28.1610. Sixth one, anti-log of, we can write it as 5 bar, both are same here, minus 5 or 5 bar, 0.7843. So try to solve the given 6 problems so that it will be very clear for you about log table.